Now, next thing we're going to learn is operators in C. So, operators are the symbols that are used to perform some operations. So, you can see, if you have heard about that, like there are unary operators, binary operators and ternary operators. So, here you can see all defines are binary operators. Arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise and assignment, these all are binary operators. So we're going to see these examples in the VS Code also. Before that, we're going to learn about unary operators. Unary operators means increment and decrement operator. If you heard a plus plus sign and minus minus sign, so we're going to see that thing in the example of VS Code there also. And in the binary operator, multiplication, addition, shift, and all these things are there in arithmetic, all are divided. So we're going to see each thing one by one. So here you can see postfix, plus plus, minus minus, unary operators we have used. This is a ternary operator. So we're going to see each and everything one by one. So let's jump to the VS Code and see everything.